Hello student, today we solve the given problem and we should solve the problem because these types of problem is come from the compound angle chapter which are read in the OptiMath subject, and these types of questions are always coming in our exam, so it is a compulsory questions to solve for exams for 4 marks because these types of questions are comes for 4 marks in exam. So be careful student, and also take the pen and copy for write the flowing problem. So and keep watch for understand and never be make mistake when you uh, see the full video, and in exams you will be done the questions conformly correct. So see the video. First of all, we write the solution. Okay, and next step is that here we should know about that what do you mean by questions. Means that if we don't know what is a questions, when how can we solve the questions? Here the LHS is complex and here RHS is so simple, but in sometimes we should always use our mind for problem. How we think about that, there is LHS is complex, but we don't prove the LHS because LHS is complex. LHS is proved. LHS is proved, but RHS is not proved. So we should take the RHS for prove the LHS. So we should take the RHS. In some condition, we should prove the RHS, not the LHS. While LHS is complex, but RHS is simple. So we take the 25 degree, and so we know about that we should write the 10 by sine 45 by cos 45. We write them the 10 into in this form, and when we write them in these forms, so we know about that 45 degree for 25 degree. The 25 degree we should write these types in that form. We write them. If we subtract 45 degree minus 20 degree, then what will become 25 degree? No, yes or no? Yes. By and denominator is also, and cos 45 minus 20 degree. And here we know about that formula. In compound angle there is a various types of formula is given, and one is that and the formula is that sine A minus B is equal to sine A into cos B minus sine B into cos A, and that is formula of sine A minus B. And similarly cos bracket A minus B, and that formula is cos A into cos B plus sine A into sine B. And here we imagine that 45 will be A and 20 will be B. Then we apply the formula, and the condition of formula will be clear for applying. So we should apply the flowing formula. Then what will be the result? Sine 45 into cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree sine 20 degree into cos 45 degree, and by sine will be always compulsory because in this form of the question is given in the form of divide. And so in the matter cos 45 degree into cos 20 degree plus sine 45 degree into sine 20 degree. And here, what is the value of sine 45 degree? The value of sine 45 degree is what? 1 by root under 2 into cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree into cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? Same, 1 by root 2. Here, and also in denominator the same process will be done. What is the value of cos 45 degree? 1 by root 2 and cos 20 degree, and plus what is the value of sine 45 degree? 45 degree 1 by root 2 into sine 20 degree. And here everyone know about that, and the process will be done after. Here, if we multiply 1 into cos 20 degree, then what will be result? Cos 20 degree, because if we multiply 1 to any number, then the same number will be answer. And so simple, cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree by root 2. And similarly, and cos in denominator will be same process will be done, and sine 20 degree root under 2. Here we take LCM of root under 2, then what will be the result? That is cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree by root under 2. And also in denominator, cos 20 degree plus sine 20 degree by root under 2, and the root under 2 and the root under 2 will be cut, because in both in form of divide, so we cut them. And then what will be the result? Cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree by cos 20 degree plus sine 20 degree. And we prove that the following problem. Here the also in questions, the question is that cos 20 degree minus sine 20 degree by cos 20 degree cos 20 degree plus sine 20 degree, and the same questions are also proved here, that is here, and the same answer will be proved. So we prove the following. If you understand the following problem, then you continue and also do all the types of questions will be done in the exams who come in your exams. And if you don't understand the following problem, then watch again the video. And I hope you enjoy this video, and also please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.